A few months ago, I designed a Jade spear on petition of a friend who is like the biggest fan of Genshin Impact. The very first thing that I did was importing a picture to guide myself while drawing. It's not cheating. As you can see, I sketch it. I use mostly spline lines. After drawing most of the surfaces, I was able to use the extrude function to get these three-dimensional pieces. And to create the extra two ones, we first create a path. It could be a line like this one, and later you can use path pattern. For this kind of shape, we don't have to extrude because it is a ring. Rather, we have to use revolve. We select the surface that we want to revolve, and then we select the revolve option. I also extruded rectangular bars from the main body to the diamonds in order to create the effect of the diamonds floating on the air. Later, I laser cut acrylic bars. I just had to draw on Adobe Illustrator the rectangles with the right measurements. Not to show off, but I can draw rectangles on Adobe Illustrator.
Not too close, Sandy. I tend to get smelly when I'm pumping iron. Check it out.
I also designed some holes in order to insert sticks later throughout the whole spear. The whole spear is around 180 centimeters long, so definitely we will have to divide into pieces and print them. Later, when putting them together, it will become weak at the joints, so the sticks will help our spear not to break. This was not intended to be a video tutorial since the project had just so many parts, but you can leave me a question in the comments about designing something like this on Fusion 360. Of course, any other comment is welcome, and in the future I will be uploading a video about the whole post process of other projects, since this time I didn't show almost any of the work that I did after 3D printing. Till then, bye bye!